can finally stop complaining.
I doubt it, but go on. I'm listening.
Notion has quasi offline support.
Yeah. The way this used to work is if you viewed a page and then you could load a couple pages and then went offline, like they would still be there and they would kind of work.
Mm-hmm.
And the way it works now is like you have to like individually click each one you want, and it's like I don't know. It's a step.
It's a hard computer science problem. It probably is because they're not
No, but
designed to be
they
used by one person. It's designed to be used by like 50.
all right, but this is this is, as they've admitted, the most requested feature they've ever had. But of course it is. Like, you know, whatever. It's fine.
Well, when they were asked about how people in submarines should use this, they said get a pencil. So
Nice. Take a photo of the Notion. Yeah, I don't know.
scratch pad.
It's definitely better than nothing. I will say, this took so long to happen. I was like, they're gonna make this a paid feature. You know, this is like how they're gonna get me
Mm-hmm.
eventually. But no, it's for everybody. If you do pay, I guess you'll automatically mark things for offline if they're favorited or whatever, or recently used or something. And okay,
This actually reminds me of the flight to Montana because the stewardess had a very passive aggressive announcement. So on most Delta flights these days, Wi-Fi is free now. You don't have to pay anything. So
right.
when we flew from Cincinnati to Minneapolis, Wi-Fi just worked. It was wonderful. And I just used my phone and just whatever screwed around the whole time. And then
Yeah.
we get on the plane from Minneapolis to Montana, which was a longer flight, like 2.5 hours or whatever. And the stewardess gets on and goes, "Wow, many Delta flights have free Wi-Fi. This plane has not been upgraded yet, but you can pay $9 for it."
Huh. And that'll just if you use your Delta credit card, it'll probably automatically be refunded because
Yeah.
something. I don't
Yeah.
know.
So I did not pay for the $9 Wi-Fi on that plane.
Yeah, I usually do pay for it.
Yep.
I think what happened last time. Yeah, last time we flew, it didn't work. There was a bunch of that was what do you call it? Aero Mexico. Yeah, beautiful business class seat, right? Power, like in this beautiful
Mm-hmm.
thing, didn't work. Both flights there and back, and then Wi-Fi did work on the way there, but not on the way back. And then if I fly United, it only works over the United States. It's like because there's no Wi-Fi, I guess, in the rest of the world. I don't know what's happening, but none of this is perfect, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. I don't know.
Yeah.
I
Anyways, there was Gamescom announcement yesterday. It was Black Ops 7. I gotta tell you,
I know. Here's what sold it for me, or what's the opposite of selling.
yeah,
The storyline, it follows up on the events of Black Ops 2 and Black Ops 6. And I'm like, you know what? No. just not that, I care about
mm-hmm.
the single player stuff, I guess, but there is a 4-player co-op if you can find 4 idiots, or 3 other idiots. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Did you ever, by the way, did you try the Battlefield
Oh
6,
yeah,
whatever, open
beta.
beta?
Played a
Yeah,
lot
what
of
do
it.
you,
It's
oh, you
good.
did. So it's beautiful, right? I think, it
Mm-hmm.
is multiplayer, like looks great. Um, you know, it's a beta, so I can't be too critical of whatever not matchmaking, but like the level selection, what a game type.
Mm-hmm.
But it was like you could choose these game types, and it was like, but not like a range of game types. So it's like it might be multiplayer, it might be not, or like team deathmatch, it might be some objective based game, whatever. And it's like I really, it's important that I test this like the way I would play it,
Yeah.
you know, compare it to the things I do in Call of Duty. And, it's a good looking game. Then again, I mean, I play Black Ops 6 across a variety of laptops, and the most recent one I got in is like a dedicated NVIDIA graphics. Like it's astonishing. Like there's stuff in it I didn't even realize was in the game, like little effects and little leaves or blades of grass blowing around and stuff. Like you're hyper attuned to movement, of
Hmm.
course, because you want to shoot anything that's moving, basically. So when you're sitting there waiting, and then this little thing comes in from the side, you're like, "What's that?" And it's like it's a leaf, you know. So I wasn't really aware of that stuff before. So I mean, to me, it's like it can look as good or roughly as good, I think. I don't know. So what do you like about it? Like, what was the draw for you?
um, part of me is like it was a little slower. It felt more, it felt more older Call of Duty than Call of Duty now feels. So it felt more like
Well,
Modern
Modern
Warfare
Warfare.
2.
Yes, exactly. That was the vibe is very much
Yeah.
that,
There's
which
no
is good.
Beavis and Butthead running around. There's
Oh
no
my
stupid
god, I know.
skins.
Oh my, I can't stand this stuff. I know these giant head things and
Yeah.
like then you hear
The
like the guy,
the thing that
you
will
know,
push this over the edge for me, which we didn't get to try, is they're going to have a battle royale mode
okay.
that was not in the beta.
Hmm.
But it was, I don't want to say it's
Yeah.
a slower way. Like it was just, I just liked it because it was more, it felt more Call of Duty than run, jump, slide, and dive. And um,
Yep.
I don't know if
Yep.
it's different, and that's probably why I kind of latched onto it. But
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I don't remember the numbers anymore, but every once in a while, I mean, I try them as they come out, and like there were a couple of maybe Battlefield 2, Battlefield 5, maybe I don't remember
mhm,
exactly, but like where it's like, oh, it's right there, like it's
yeah,
close, you know. Um, I mean, this is a generalization. It's probably not even true anymore, but I mean, by and large, they've been much, and this was true in the beta actually. So the maps are humongous, right? So there was one of the games I played. I'm like, like, how far can I go? Like, I'm just gonna run around. I never hit the edge of the map. like in Call of Duty, it's like depending on the map, you hit the edge and you jump over the edge, and it's like, "Bam, bam, bam," and then
hmm,
you die if you're out there for 3 seconds or whatever it is. And this thing was like, it was a big city map. It was up and down and around, and it was beautiful, right? But I felt like it was like the whole city. It was like, what is this map? It's like an actual city. I don't know. It looks good, but
yeah.
I don't know. I don't
I
know.
don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Doesn't it comes out in October, I think,
Yep. Yeah, I think
and
earlier.
Call of Duty will come out in November.
Is that true? Is that
Yep,
what they
I
said?
think that's what they announced.
So last year I felt like it was a little early, wasn't it? October last year?
I feel like it was.
I think
Maybe
it was.
not. I don't know. There's a beta in October. Maybe that's what we're thinking. I don't.
I don't know. I don't know,
Yeah,
man.
I don't
I
know
do
either.
need something else. That much I know.
Yeah.
I do,
Oh, they announced Indiana Jones is going to the Switch. They did not announce Black Ops for the Switch, which is
which I kind of expected. They're pretty explicit about bringing Call of
yeah.
Duty to the Switch.
Unless Nintendo's like, nah. I can't
Well,
imagine they would be, but
no, I mean, why wouldn't you do it? It may. I don't know. I feel like it could look good and run good. I don't look. I play Call of Duty now on these kind of base level business class laptops. Like it's pretty good. I don't. Then the Switch could do this.
yeah,
I think, but
yeah. I don't know.
yeah,
We'll see.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
We'll see if the Black Ops 7 is like jetpacky.
It's not going to be jetpacky. They got such negative feedback to that stuff. There was,
I don't know.
although it was a Black Ops game. Must have been 4. Was there a Black Ops 5? I don't even remember that. Oh, that was Cold War, wasn't it? Yeah. So Black Ops 4 was the one you could run up on the walls.
Yep.
And I honestly, that was a great multiplayer game. And
See, I'm the opposite. I hate that. I rarely played that one.
yeah, 3, I felt 3 had a little bit of it. Maybe 3 was the beginning of it. But 4 was the one you could actually just run on the wall. So they had like these forcings you could like run around like a curved surface, like around a tree, and then jump. I mean, to me, it's like that can be done. Okay, it can be done well. I'm losing track of the games now because before that, or maybe right after that, there was a non Black Ops game that did this as well, but literally jetpacks. And that one,
Wasn't it Titanfall?
no, this was a Call of Duty game, like
Oh, oh.
uh, they had those one-off games. They were going to be serious, like Infinite War, maybe was one or whatever they were called, but that was less successful, like to me, because you could literally just jet up into the air, shoot, and then fall down. Like if you wanted to. And I thought the Black Ops, the way they handled it was pretty good, but they went right back to not doing that anymore. Um, but yeah, but I agree with. I will say the Battlefield 6 thing. The one thing that really struck me was like I'm like, oh, Modern Warfare, yes,
Hmm.
like that might be the pinnacle for me for this kind of game. Like that
Yeah.
just the look and feel of it and style. It's the range of stuff you get with the weapons and the score streaks, whatever. Like it's it's good.